In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Now select Connection Preferences, click Printing over here and tap on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. They all turn on the same way, so after tapping on yours, make sure this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you still can't connect, enable print service and tap on those three dots that will appear at the top right corner. Select Add Printer, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, activated thanks to this switcher, tap on Allow and tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers so your Motorola can search for yours. If you want to, you can also tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and connect manually by tapping on Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!